If you're in Europe, you'll be very pleased to know now that Hisense has released the new U8K Mini LED TV in your country. So it's definitely a TV a lot of people will look at. It comes in three sizes: 55, 65, and 75 inches. These are the three sizes you get. You will have a very bright display that can hit almost 1500 nits with ease. And the other thing you also get is a very good refresh rate. You're looking at 144 hertz of refresh rate. There is an AI 4K upscaling. You have Google Assistant. There is your Amazon Alexa voice commands, and it's very good overall in terms of in terms of its features, in terms of its features and what you'll be able to gain, and what it will deliver for you in terms of your viewing experience. You will have all the HDR format supports, so you will get Dolby Vision IQ, HDR10. There is the fact that you get a very high refresh rate, 144 hertz. It's very suitable for gaming. So if you game a lot, you like gaming, this is a display that you would be very interested in. There is auto low latency mode. There is AMD FreeSync Premium. And you also get the VIDAA U7 Smart OS. So you can stream content from apps like Disney Plus, Netflix, YouTube. And it's just good in that respect. It's very good in that respect. The other thing also is that you get a built-in 2.1.2 channel surround sound system. It's compatible with Dolby Atmos, like I've said. You can also pair it with a soundbar if you choose to. In terms of price tag, the 55-inch will start out at £1,300, which is around 1,400 euros. The 65 will go for £1,700, or around 1,900 pounds basically. So this is the price difference. Then finally the largest size, which is the 75 inch, will go for 2,200 pounds. If you buy it in euros, it's 2,500 euros. So look, these are the price tag details for the new Hisense U8K TV. If you enjoyed this report, then go ahead, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, like our content, follow us here on YouTube. I'll see you guys very much next time.